So hello everyone, we are back again with another new topic, and today's our topic is School Innovation Ambassador Training Program. So what exactly it is and how to go ahead about it, I'll be giving you full detail about this program. This is a very unique program which is run by Government of India, Ministry of Education's Innovation Cell. I will be giving you thorough detail about what this program is, why it is being done, and how it is going to be implemented, and how it is going to be useful for all of us. Let's begin. To understand what this program is, let's understand what is the site saying. So what I'll just have to type Innovation Ambassador. You can see I've already done that, and you will go on to this site which says MOE's Innovation Cell. So let's go on to the site. Yeah, on the website, you can see School Innovation Ambassador Training Program for school teachers. This is for all the school teachers. The program is actually run by Ministry of Education's Innovation Cell and AICTE, along with the EMRS of Ministry of Tribal Affairs and CBSE. Basically, what is EMRS? Eklavya Model Residential Schools. And now under this program, the teachers shall be trained on the following 5 modules. Now, usually we say that nothing is being done by government, and this is one unique program which the government is running, and the target is to train more than 50,000 teachers so that they can help the next generation innovators. So what all things will be covered in this program is like this. You can see under this program, the teachers shall be trained on the following 5 modules, and the 5 modules which are very unique module and which are very new for majority of us are idea generation and idea handholding, intellectual property rights, finance and sales, HR, design thinking and innovation, entrepreneurship, and prototype product development. So basically, this is to guide the student into the next startup. So when we go onto the site, you can see there are 3 options available. You can join the training if you have already registered, your school has already registered, and you are part of this program. Then you can log in your email address and password as a teacher login. What is SPOC is single point of contact, which is basically a school login for the nomination of the teacher. Now, your principal, or if you are a vice principal, you can log in after registering your school. So if you are a new school and you are not aware of this program and you got to know now, you can register on this website. Just click on new school registration, and so when you click on new school registration, you can see this will ask you for all the details here, and you will have to fill up all the details, and you will get email ID for your respective school, and you can go ahead and register your school. And after that, you can nominate a minimum 5 teachers and maximum as many teachers as you feel who can get benefit out of it. The program is of 72 hours. So what exactly is this program? As per NEP, which is new education policy, which is national education policy, has laid huge emphasis on promoting out-of-box thinking among students. And to achieve this goal, now how can we forget the role of teachers? And to help this process via the teachers, the government is helping these students. So teachers should become mentor and guide these young minds in pursuit of innovation and entrepreneurship, and thus it is equally crucial for mentors to have adequate mentoring skill. And now with this aim, the program has been conceptualized by Ministry of Education's Innovation Cell, All India Council of Technical Education, to train the school teachers across country who will nurture the young school students on ideation, IPR, product development, design thinking, problem solving, and critical thinking, and later on forming a school innovation council. Now, right now, how we have Innovation Council of Ministry of Education. Under this, we will have School Innovation Council, and further details will be available. So now let's understand what are the analytics of this program. Now, when we see the analytics, number of schools registered already are 11,000. Number of teachers who have already registered for this program who have enrolled are 57,000, and the number is going up again and again. Number of teachers who have already completed out of the whole program is 10,000, and number of tribal schools, number of Kendriya Vidyalaya, Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalayas, and you can see 73 foreign schools are also registered under this program. You can see module wise also all the statistics are given. Design thinking and innovation, 28,000 people have watched and qualified for the program, and you can see as in when the time is going ahead, teachers are completing the program. So going ahead with some more analytics when we're talking about it, these are some of the analytics. Now after that we have a process of logging in. Now I'll be going on logging in part later on. I will show you. Now in logging in, you will have option of school, single point of contact login, and the teachers login. So once your school has registered, your school will nominate teachers and then they can also log in. So this is for your school's single point of contact, which is usually principal, vice principal, or any senior teacher. And then this is for you if you are a teacher. Now, what are the notification? You can go and have a look at it, media availability, and all the other details which you need, like what is this program. You can see the program guide is available. Every detail is being chalked out. What is the program, how the program will go ahead. The program manual is available. The roles and responsibility of single point of contact is also available. You can see these are some of the initial images of the launch of this program by our education minister, Shri Dharmendra Pradhan ji. You can see some more details about how the first module, which was there, design thinking and innovation module, how to access that. All the details were given on that. Also, there are some FAQs also available. So if you have any question, you can also visit onto the FAQ site. And apart from that, if you want to get some more detail and you have a query related to anything from your respective region, also there are specific email IDs available. So these are some of the basic details. Now let's see what all are the modules and what all contents are covered in the module. So let's try and log in. So when you click on login, you will come to this page, and this is your page where as a teacher, I will be logging in and I will show you what all things come up when you log in. So you can see here, the moment you log in, you will get your name here, welcome Mahesh Jain, and all your basic details like your school name, your school email ID, your respective innovation ambassador specific code, your school code, everything will be labeled here in this page. And now on the right side, you can see all the modules which you will have to complete. So I have already completed the modules, and you can see Ministry of Education has launched this program. And under this program, teachers shall be trained on 5 modules of 72 hours of duration. You can see these are 5 modules for which you will have to watch respective. These are self-paced modules. So initially it was all time bound, but then later on it became self-paced because more and more teachers were interested, more and more schools have taken part in it, and then it became self-paced. So you can see idea generation, idea handholding. These are all the 5 modules. I will be also taking you through these 5 modules and what all things are covered in these 5 modules. You can see and what all things have to be seen on the left side. You can see there is also option of downloading certificate. For every module you complete as a teacher, you can download the certificate once you are done. So total number of hours which you will have to devote for this program is 72 hours. So let's understand what all things are covered in these each module individually. So when you click on idea generation and hand holding, you can see what all topics are covered. I'll be only showing you the topics, the title. Now for every module, you will have to have appear for pre-assessment, which you will have to pass. For every exam or every module, you will have set of questions before the module begin and after the module also, and you will have to at least get 50% to clear the module. So you can see these are all the topics which are covered in this module. Pitching, you can see pitching, transaction, product development, scalability, social entrepreneurship, and ethics. These are all the topic covered. Now this was the first one. Another one I'll show you is about loading. You can see IPR, which is nowadays very important. What all things are covered in intellectual property right module. You can see what is IPR, exploring what is patent, what are trademarks, what exactly is the meaning of copyright, and under this also there are various details available. So this is very unique program which government has come up with. For many of us teachers, specifically science teachers who were not aware of all these topics, you will definitely get a lot of information about this. So you can see all the details about finance, HR, and sales, how you can help the student in pitching their product, and everything will be available in this program. So these are the program. If you are a school who has not registered yet, I would advise you to register as fast as possible. So you can see the last module, which is entrepreneurship and prototype product development. It gives you all the detail about business viability, what is a review, what is prototype testing, and all those things. The whole objective of this school innovation ambassador training program is that the teachers are motivated, so that they pass on the motivation to the student, and they have the required details about how to go ahead with the program. So I'll also show you about one of the certificate, what and how it will look like. So the moment I'll click on this download, I'll get the certificate of this. So you can see this is the certificate which I have attained for one of the module. The module was design thinking and innovation, which was of 26 hours module. Now, after this program, we will be, all the teachers who were part of this program will be called as the innovation ambassadors of the Ministry of Education's Innovation Cell, and they will be part of the School Innovation Council, which will be starting after the process is done. So this was all about School Innovation Ambassador Training Program. That's it from my end. Thank you and have a great time. Bye-bye.